All right, we are at the Cave of Mounds. We're gonna check out this cave and see what they have. So let's go. This is one day that being short is being a benefit. Ooh, look at this. Try not to touch your stuff. If you're claustrophobic, maybe this is not the place. Welcome back, Chronicles crew. You have Carl here. If you're not familiar with our channel, we're a family travel vlog. We love to go to local spots, tourist attractions, and weird and wacky places. Today we traveled to Blue Mounds, Wisconsin to check out the Cave of the Mounds. This cave was accidentally found in 1939 when a quarry blast revealed an entrance to this cave. Come join our family as we go underground to see the spectacular crystallized rock formations and shimmering pool. So during these crazy times, what we like to do is get here like right when it opens because it's not as busy. As you can see around here, it's not busy at all. So it opens at 9, so we reserved our ticket for 9 o'clock, so excited to go. One thing they don't let you bring is a backpack, so make sure you don't do that. And then the other thing is you gotta make sure you bring a mask. So I do have my mask, which I'll be wearing once I get in. Here's an interesting fact. In these caves, it is 50 degrees year round. So it's really cool during the summer and it's warm during the winter. And that's why you see me in a hoodie, unlike when we were at the ice castles and I was all bundled up. Right now, we're just waiting our turn to get in. They stagger the people about 10-15 minutes apart, so you have the cave to yourself. After waiting for 10 minutes, it is now our turn to check out the cave. This is really, really pretty.
Yeah, and Rosalie, remember, we don't touch the rocks, okay?
And one of the things they do say is do not touch the rocks because they've been growing for thousands of years. And if you touch them, you know, they might stop the formation. So that's one of the big no-nos.
It's super warm in here. I definitely don't need my coat on. It looks like it's been glazed. It's like donut glaze.
When Rosalie got in here, she was in complete awe. This was the first time she's been in any cave before in her lifetime. So when we came in here, we ended up buying bags and getting rocks. And this is one of the stations.
They get to take one of those? Yeah, so that there is a ruby. It's the second hardest natural gemstone. And it's July's birthstone as well. Cool.
So Addison and Rosalie put the ruby inside their bag. Now, there's a second station we have to look for. So as you can see, there's really no one around us, which is great for social distancing. They stagger it, so the families are all separate, and you really have the cave all to yourself.
These underground paths here were actually carved out by an underground river.
Oh, man.
Isn't that cool? So it twists and turns.
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me going wild. And what I want is you. Could you come a little closer? I want you by my side.
When I was younger, in Boy Scouts, we'd go to Eagle Cave, and my friend Terry and I would actually be able to sleep overnight in the cave. One of the cool parts is I like to be able to feel like I'm exploring, but knowing that I'm not gonna get lost. I'm glad I've been trying to lose some weight because it gets a little narrow over here. I'm coming, guys. Scared me. Oh, Addison. She got me. You got me good. What are you laughing at? That's just mean. We found the second station. It's the Amber Rocks.
So amber is an organic gem, and the oldest was 320 million years ago.
So all of this rock that we're surrounded by is limestone. So they're called limestone cavern formations. I was saying to Addison, imagine what this place would be like if they didn't have the lights on.
Yeah. And what I like is like the ground here. It's all paved. There's a nice path. They tell you that you shouldn't come off the path because the things are kind of fragile. I have gone to other cave tours where it's like all muddy and you're touching in and out. So for a family, this is really good.
Called calcite, people call it cave bacon.
I like bacon.
I don't know if you like cave bacon though. Might not taste the same.
This is one day that being short is being a benefit. Ooh, look at this. Try not to touch your stuff. If you're claustrophobic, maybe this is not the place. I made it out. Whew. Man, it's amazing that the water is still over here after all these years.
So this area over here is called Dream River, and it keeps going until about 250 feet until it narrows, the cave narrows and you can't get through. But yeah, so it keeps on going that way.
Since the tour ends at the gift shop, time to get some postcards for my Patreons. If you want to be a Patreon, go check it out and we'll send you a postcard each month.
What I really liked about the tour was how at one part all of the rock kind of looked like sea foam, and you could tell the rocks have been aging for lots and lots of years. But it was really cool just to have the experience to go, and I highly recommend it. You guys to go. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video down below, and hit that notification bell while you're at it so you don't miss any videos out. See you on our next journey. Bye.